All right, this lesson is on triangle similarity. So this lesson, you've got three ways to prove triangle similar. You've got angle, angle, you've got side, 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 and you have side, angle, side. So this page will kind of explain what the three ways are, and then once we get into the lesson, guys, we'll talk about how to prove which of those three ways it is. So first page is probably the most important in my opinion. Let's check it out. So first one, angle, angle similarity. It says if two corresponding angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. So all you need is two angles that match up, and then we can say that angle, angle proves triangles are similar. All right, so if I look at number one here, I notice I've got a 75, I got a 31, a 31. So easy enough. Yes, they are similar by angle, angle. But we have to write, if it's a yes, we have to write a similarity statement. So the answer is yes. First triangle in the order, I'll go ABC. Similar sign, and then match them up. A matches with D, B matches with E, and C matches with F. Number two, there's a set of congruent angles, but then I also know that my vertical angles are also congruent, so this guy is also a yes. Triangle on the left, I'll go triangle WXY. W matches with Z, X matches with X, and then V matches with Y. All right, the middle, side, side, side. It says if all corresponding sides are proportional, which means they all reduce the same thing or are in a same scale factor, then triangles are similar. All right, so if you match them up. So when you look at this one, it's kind of tough to figure out how it matches up, but I would go small to small, medium to medium, big to big. So if I match them up, small to small, 3 to 6, medium, 4 to 8, big side, 5 to 10. Now what you can do in your calculator, you can type in 3 divided by 6, see what you get, 4 divided by 8, see what you get, 5 divided by 10, see what you get. In this case, they all match up, so this is a yes. They all come out to be 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Similarity statement. Guy on the left, I'll go PQR is similar to triangle P matches with S, Q matches with T, and R matches with U. Number 4, let's see here. Small on the left is 30. Small on the right is 24. Medium on the left is 32. Medium on the right is 25. Big on the left is 35. Big side on the right is 28. This is a no. If you type into your calculator, top to bottom for all of these, it does not match up. These are not in proportion whatsoever here. All right. Last one is side angle side. If two corresponding sides are proportional and the included angles are congruent, which means that's the angle in between the sides, then triangles are similar. All right, so first I check the angles. Yep, congruent to angles, cool. Match up sides. Small on left to small on right, 8 to 6. Big on left is 20, big on right is 15. Yes, if you type in 8 divided by 6 and 20 divided by 15, it comes out to be the same answer. So this is a yes. Similarity statement. Left side, I'll go JKL. Right side, J matches with M, K matches with N, and L matches with P. Number 6. All right. If you check this out, guys, you have small triangle, and then I have big triangle on the outside here, right? So I'm going to go small side on small triangle, 12, equals small on big triangle, 21. Small on the left side of the small triangle is 15. Or sorry, big on the left side of the big triangle is 25. Problem. Yes, we have the angles, right? The angle of a small triangle is the same angle of the big triangle, but the problem is this. If I type in 12 divided by 21 and 15 divided by 25, they do not come out to be the same. So this one is a no. Sides are not in proportion, even though we had congruent angles on both. So this guy is a no. All right, so this is the stuff your assignment's going to look like, guys. Proving triangles similar. Determine if the triangles are similar by the angle-angle similarity. So for 1 through 6, we got to figure out, are they similar by angle-angle? And if so, we got to write the similarity statement. Okay, 1. I know I've got vertical angles. I've got parallel lines, which means my alternate interiors are also congruent. There's my parallels. Inside opposite sides are your alternate interior. So there we have 2 sets of congruent angles. So yes, they are similar. Similarity statement. Top guy, I'll go C, D, E. C matches with G. D matches with F. And E goes to E. Number 2, small triangle versus big triangle, right? I know these angles are the same for small and big. I see parallel lines. I have corresponding angles that are congruent as well. So yes, I have 2 sets. So that's a yes. Small triangle, let's go LQP. L matches with L. Q matches with M. And P matches with N. Number 3. Remember, all angles in a triangle add up to 180. Angle S is left with 51 degrees. And this guy over here is 39 degrees. So yes, you have 2 sets of congruent angles. In this case, you have all 3. So we got a yes. Similarity statement. The guy on the left, let's go SYE. S matches with W. Y matches with C. And E hooks up with H. Number 4, the missing angle on this guy is 58. Missing guy and this guy is 49. We do not have 2 sets of congruent angles. This is a no. Number 5, missing angle on small triangle is 22. Missing angle on big triangle is 88. I got the 67s on both, but that guy doesn't match that guy, and that guy doesn't match that guy. This is a no. Number 6, I got the vertical angles in the middle. There's another set of congruent angles, so this is a yes. Similarity statement. Guy up top, let's go XYZ. X matches with X. Y matches with Q. And Z matches with P. All right, side, side, side. So remember, match up small to small, medium to medium, large to large. Reduce or divide all 3 ratios and see if they come out to be the same number. All right, small on left is 9, small on right is 14. Medium on left is 13.5. Medium on right is 21. Big on left is 27. Big on right is 42. If you type into your calculator all 3 of these division problems, it comes out to be the same. So this is a yes. Similarity statement. Let's go K and R. All right. K matches, let's see here. So 9 to 14. K is going to match with D. N matches with E. And R matches with S. All right, remember, here's small triangle, big triangle. You got to figure out big side up top, that'd be 21. Big side on left would be 20. Just add the sides, 28, 28, 15, 6, 21. Okay, match them up. Let's go top, 15, over big top, 21. Small base, 40. over big base 56. And then the left side, 20 over 28. This is a yes. If you divide all three of these ratios, it comes out to be the same exact number. Similarity statement. Let's go U, W, Y for the big guy. U matches with V, W to W, Y matches with X. Numbers 9, 10, and 11, I'll let you refer to your notes. That's the same exact stuff we just did on the previous page, but I do want to do number 12 with you guys. All right. The only thing missing on 12 is the big side over here. 12 and 8, 20. So now you got small to big, small to big, small to big. I'll let you take it from there, but I want to make sure you guys understood how to find the missing side by adding up the two smaller pieces. So let me set you up real quick. Small side on left is 8. Over big side on left is 20. Small base 9 over big base 24. Small side on right is 6 over big side on right is 15. And this comes out to be a no for the record. If you divide all three of these ratios, they do not match up. But for numbers 9, 10, 11, check your answer key for those ones. Just more practice, same stuff. All right, are they similar by side, angle, side? Okay, so first make sure you have congruent angles. Vertical angles, gotcha. All right, small side up top, 24. Small side on bottom, 6. Big side up top, 48. Big side on bottom, 12. Yes, if you divide this by this, that by that, it comes out to be the same. Similarity statement. Let's go triangle SER. S matches with G. E matches with E. And R matches with F. Number 14. I have my vertical angles. But the problem is this. I have my angles here, right? But for side angle side to work, you have to have included angles in between the sides, right? Yes, I have a set of congruent angles, but they are not in between the sides. So this guy gotta say no because the angle is not included in between the sides here. Kind of a tricky one. 15, I notice I have parallel lines. That means I'm gonna have corresponding angles are congruent. So in this case, yeah, the angles is included in between the sides here. So we got to match them up. The guy on the left, let's go left side to left side. So 54 over 33 equals 36 over 22. Yep, it does check out. If you divide those guys, it comes out to be the same exact answer. So let's go triangle CMP. C matches with R. M matches with P. And P matches with Q. Number 16. Cool. We got the included angles. Let's match up sides now. Small side on left is 45. Small side on right is 31.5. Big side on left is 50. Big side on right is 35. Yep, they check out. They divide to be the same thing. So similarity statement. Let's go triangle EGF. E matches with J. G matches with H. And F matches with K. Okay, 17, 18, very similar. I'll just do number 17 with you, and you can check out 18 on the answer key. Yeah, we got the included angle there, right? Small triangle versus big triangle. Got the angle. But you got to find big side on the big triangle, right? So 30 and 15 is 45. And 24 and 18 is 42. Proportions. Small side over big side. 15 over 45. Does that equal 14 over 42? The answer is yes. If you divide top by bottom in both, it comes out to be accurate. Let's go triangle QWR. That matches with SWZ. 18, same thing as 17. Check your answer key for some clarification on that one if you have any questions. All right, last 2 pages. Determine whether the triangles are similar. If similar, state how. Is it angle, angle? Is it side, side, side? Is it side, angle, side? Then, of course, we got to write the similarity statements. I think for this one, I'm just going to do the odds, and you guys can check out the answer key for the evens on your notes. So we'll knock out the odds, then we'll call it a day for this lesson. All right, so if I look at number 1 here, the only one it could possibly be would be side, angle, side, right? I see I've got the included angles, but now I got to see if my sides are in proportion. So small on left is 3, small on right is 9, big on left is 5, big on right is 15. Yep, those come out to be the same. Similarity statement. Let's go triangle EFG. E matches with R, F goes to T, and G matches with S. If you're looking at number 2, it might be side, 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 right? Match up all your sides, see if they reduce to the same thing. Number 3. Let's find some missing angles here. Missing angle on the guy on the left is 85. These guys are vertical, so I know he's 42. So there we go. I got the 42s, I got an 85. So angle, angle works for this one. Oh, up top, I forgot to put side, angle, side. All right, so this one is a yes. Angle, angle works. Similarity statement. Let's go triangle ABE. A matches with D. E matches with C. And E matches with, hang on here. B matches with B, sorry. A to D, B to B, and then E matches with C, so DBC. Number 5. Well, I don't see any side measurements, so the only thing it could possibly be would be angle, angle. So I see a lot of parallel lines, right? So I see this line is parallel with that one, so I know this side, this angle corresponds with that one. I also know that these lines are parallel, so this angle would be corresponding with that angle. So sure enough, I've got 2 sets of congruent angles, so angle, angle does work. This is a yes. Angle, angle. Similarity statement. Up top, let's go LKM. That is similar to L matches with K, K matches with J, and M matches with N. Number 7, find the missing angles first. Angle Y is going to be 29 degrees, and H is going to be 56 degrees. Do I have 2 sets of congruent angles? Well, there's one, but the other guys do not match up. That is a no. Last page. Number 9, all I see are side measurements, so I'm thinking possibly side, side, side. So let's match them up. Small on left is 35. Small on right is 25. And they get the same measurements, right? So just go 42 over 30 for the next one. Problem. These do not match up. When you divide top by bottom, these sides are not in proportion. Scale factor is not the same. That is a no. Number 11. Just like the example on the notes earlier, on 11, I know I've got vertical angles, but I don't have the included angles. Remember, for side, angle, side to work, your sides have to be in proportion, but the angle has to be included in between the sides. So this guy is a no, sneaky. 13 looks like it might be side, 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 since all I have are the sides. So small, small, medium, medium, big, big. All right, small on left is 40.5. Small on right is 18. Medium. Medium on left is 49.5. Medium on right is 22. Big on the left is 54. Big on the right is 24. Yep, they match up. If you divide top by bottom on all those, it does work. So side, side, side is your answer. Similarity statement. Let's go on the left, K and B. K matches with P, N matches with D, and B matches with F. Okay, if I'm looking at 15, it looks like it might be side, angle, side. I've got the included angles, but now I gotta see if my sides actually match up here. So I'm gonna go 64 over 54. Does that match up with 60 over 45? Nope, they don't. If you divide top by bottom on both these, that does not come out to be the same. Sides are not in proportion. 17. All right, a couple things they didn't tell you on this one. I'm going to put in some parallel lines for you. I'm going to tell you this line is parallel to that line, right? So if I do that, I know if these are going to be corresponding, right? So if that's 31, that's got to be 31, right? And you can stop right there. 62 works for both the small triangle and the big triangle. And then you got those two. So yep, this works by angle, angle. Similarity statement. Small triangle, let's go FPQ. F matches with F. P goes to G. And Q goes to H. All right, that's it for triangle similarity.